Okay, the next part of the specification is to look at output per employee and labour cost per unit. So before I explain what they are and show you the formulas, can we just pause the video? I'd like you to pause the video, and can you have a go at filling in the table first, okay? Okay, so now you've had an attempt at that. Let's see if you've got the correct answers. So labour productivity then, the formula for labour productivity is the output, the total output, divided by the number of employees. Okay, so output per employee is one way you can actually measure labour productivity. Output per employee. And the formula is the output, the total output, divided by the number of employees. So you should have here for the first one, 10 employees, the output is 2,000. So 2,000 is the output, divide that by 10 employees, and you'll get an answer of 200. Okay, your answers should therefore be 200, 250, 333, 500, and 600. Okay, so what observation can you make from this data? Well, the more employees they recruit, the higher the output per employee is. And let's consider why this might be. This maybe could be because of specialisation and division of labour, potentially. Okay, let's have a look at the labour cost per unit then. So the labour cost per unit. And the formula is the labour costs. And then we simply divide that by the output, by the number of units. Okay, so we should have an answer. So labour costs of 100,000, divide that by the number of units of 2,000, and we should get an answer of 50. And then 40, 30, 20, and 16.6 it's reoccurring, so we can round that up to 17. Okay, so again here you can see that the more employees this particular firm recruits, their labour costs per unit are going down, and one reasonable explanation for this is specialisation and division of labour. Okay, the next task I would like you to do, task 5, is as follows. I'd like you to pause this video, and I would like you to watch the following video shown there from Tutor to You. So type in Tutor to You labour productivity, watch the video, make some notes, and then answer questions 1 to 4. Okay, that's your next task, so please pause this video. Okay, task 6. I want to consider here employee costs as a percentage of turnover. And when we say turnover, we mean sales turnover, so sales revenue. So your next task, I want you to consider this in more detail. So task 6, I would like you to answer this question. Is it positive or negative for a business if employee costs as a percentage of turnover or their sales revenue decreases? Explain your answer. Okay, so please pause this video and attempt task 6. Okay. 3.6.3 we will go over in class. We'll do some revision activities in class in September. So now let's have a look at 3.6.4.